Hi, I'm Debbie with the Cajun Girl Travels the World. We just spent 3 days traveling the Natchez Trace Parkway and had a great time. I'd love to share our adventure with you. Come along and join us. Departing from Natchez, Mississippi, we're driving the Natchez Trace Parkway, which is a 444-mile scenic highway stretching from Natchez, Mississippi to Nashville, Tennessee. It follows a 10,000-year-old trail of the indigenous people. There are 400 entry points to the trail with many interesting stops to visit. The entire route could take 10 hours, but I recommend stopping along the way to enjoy the Indian mounds, landmarks like the Double Arch Bridge, and the ever-changing scenery. There are several free primitive campgrounds scattered along the route. This is a great way to enjoy and explore nature. We spent the night at the Payamatha Horse Trail in the Tombigbee National Forest. In the morning, some people came with their horses for a ride through the forest. Unfortunately, you must bring your own horse to ride. We enjoyed the privacy the park provided, and though there were no hookups, there was a nice picnic pavilion. The only drawback for us was that we arrived at night, and in the morning we realized that right at the base of our camper step was a pile of horse poop. Oh, yes, there was. If primitive camping isn't your thing, there are several campgrounds just off the parkway with hookups. We enjoyed the primitive camping because we do have solar panels and are fully self-contained. There are many diverse environments included in the park, such as the wetlands, forests, swamps, and overlooks. There is even a waterfall along the route. There are guided nature trail hikes that range from 1/8 to 2.5 miles. The Natchez Trace Scenic Trail totals over 60 miles. Of course, there are also self-guided nature hikes and interpretive sites and attractions. We only drove up to Belmont to get a true topper installed on our RV slide-out. We then turned around to head home and spent a very pleasant time at Rocky Springs Campground. It is at milepost 54.8 in Mississippi. There are 22 sites here, and we shared a long pull-through with my brother and his wife. We had a table and fire pit, and there was also a bathhouse available. There's a self-guided trail through the old town site and the spring. Part of the old Natchez Trace Trail has a hikeable section through this area. We loved this campground. We spent a relaxed rainy day enjoying a game of trekking the national parks. We then took a little time to cook an authentic Cajun meal of grillades, which is marinated pork with Cajun pork sausage. It was absolutely delicious. This for, and it looks like this. We really enjoyed our time at the Natchez Trace, and I hope you will have an opportunity to drive this beautiful trail too. If our video helped you in any way, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have spent time on the Natchez Trace Parkway, tell us about your experiences.